guys, so today we're doing I should start the video I should have started the video in the beginning because we're making chicken Alfredo pizza. We got the ideas from BJ's and Papa John's, but Papa John's didn't answer, so we got Little Caesars, and then my dad called them back and they answered. Yeah. We got the chicken done. Now we just gotta, I got the spoon. We got Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, garlic Alfredo sauce. Okay, now we're gonna put all the stuff on. We're gonna put the Parmesan cheese we put on it and buttered it, and now we're gonna put the mozzarella. We can put the sauce on first. Hold on, we're gonna put the sauce on first, alright? Alright, hold on. I can't open it. Go. We'll spread it out. A tiny bit. We can put a tiny bit on it. A bit more. And then after that, what's in the microwave is we got Parmesan, we got breadsticks. Use it with my pizza. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more sauce in. Had to make sure if y'all can see. All right, this might be the end of the sauce. A little bit more. Sauce. Spread it out. Now we put some Parmesan cheese, and we put mozzarella. Two more times I meant for garlic sauce. This is looking good. That's okay, and after that we're gonna do Parmesan cheese or the mozzarella, is either one. Parmesan cheese. Okay, we're done. a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I'll wash my hands too. So y'all wonder if I wash my hands. One more. A little bit on the side, on the crust, because we're making Parmesan crust too. Chicken, now we're gonna put the chicken on. Wash my hands real quick. Alright, now, chicken time. You wanna spread, now you wanna spread it out. We just got it out in the oven, nice and hot. Not that hot. Spread it. Okay. Put the rest of the chicken. Okay, that's how it looks. Now Parmesan cheese after I wash my hands. Parmesan cheese. Just put this over here. That'll look like mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese. This looks like what Chipotle cheese got, but smaller. Think. On this side, where the camera's pointing at. I like cheesy pizza too. Two more. Okay, now one more. A lot of cheese too. I like that. Okay, that's how it looks like right now. When we put it in the oven, it's gonna look different. We'll put a little bit more sauce. You'll take a spoon. We'll take it. Okay, now we don't have no more spoons. We're gonna wash them. I'm gonna use a fork. Do it a little. Now we're just gonna do this. A little bit more Parmesan cheese. Make it a good pizza. Good looking pizza right here. One more. Now we're gonna put it in the oven after I wash the Parmesan cheese off my hands. And now, this is what it looked like so far. Looking good. rated 1 out of 10. I rated it a 10, but it would be better. Okay, put it in the oven. Open it first. We gotta put it on 450 degrees, and now we're going it. And now I don't know what to cut the pizza with. Okay. So while the pizza's cooking, I'm gonna edit right here. This is part 1. Next time when it's done, I'm gonna do a part 2. See y'all part 2.